I had to tell my 16-year-old daughter that we have to move.
We're moving because we ran into some financial hardship and can't afford to live in our house anymore.
She just started bawling because we've moved a lot and she's finally in a house that she likes. My daughter has struggled with severe panic attacks, so much that we had to pull her out of school.
After we told her the news, she ran to her room and I came in to check on her.
And sweet girl, she made an ad for my business.
She said, "Mom, if you have better ads, maybe your business will take off and we don't have to move." And guess what, guys? It's actually a pretty good ad, so I'm gonna play it.
We may have to move, but my daughter's pretty good at making ads. I'm really proud of her.